Good morning children, I hope class 9th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. We have been doing exercise 1G, already we have solved examples and even exercise also we have started. Up to question number 10 we have done and rest of the questions I am going to do today, but before that again I would request you, please up to where we have done, you must be thorough with that. It means each and every question from solved examples and from exercise up to this exercise, whatever contents have been sent, whatever portion is there in your book, that must be there in your notebook. And these questions, each and every question I am explaining from solved examples and unsolved exercise. So, you must be very confident to solve those questions by yourself. So, merely watching this video will not work, you will have to practice again and again. So, be with your notebook and a book and whatever things are there and try to learn together. So, let us start. Your 11th question you have, simplify fourth root of cubic root of x square. So, how we will solve this question, you see? So, easy questions, similar questions already you have solved. Here we will write x square, from here we will start, and to the power 1 by 3 and again to the power 1 by 4. You know the formula, a to the power m to the power n to the power, suppose if o will be there, it will be a to the power m into n into o. So, in the same way we will write this. Here you see x to the power 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, and here this 4 will be cancelled, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, and finally you will have x to the power 1 by and 6, and this will be your answer. Next we will see simplify the product cubic root 2, fourth root 2 and 12th root 32. Again simple question is there, you see this can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 4 into, here 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 and to the power 1 by 12. I hope you understood. Then 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 2 to the power 5 by 12, it will be m into n. And then here you see a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. If multiplication is there, base is same, powers are same or different, powers are required to be added. Here you see 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Your LCM will be 12, 3 4 ja 12, 4 we will write, 4 3 ja 12, 3 we will write, and here you will have 5. So, what you have got, 2 to the power 4 and 3 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 by 12, it means 2 to the power 1 and you will get answer 2. Here you see simplify 15 to the power 1 by 3 divided by 9 to the power 1 by 4 and whole to the power minus 6. So, as many times I have repeated, if power is in negative, inverse of this number is required to be written. So, you can write this 9 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 15 to the power 1 by 3 and this will become positive. Now, this will be 9 to the power 1 by 4, or you can write this 3 to the power 2, 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2 into 1 by 4 and into 6 divided by 15 can be written as 15 to the power 1 by 3 into 6, and this you will get. See, here you see 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So, what you will get? Here you will get 3 to the power 3 and divided by 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 15 to the power 2, or it can be written as 3 to the power 3 divided by 15 can be written as 3 to the power. Here you see 15, if you are factorizing, you will get 3 into 5. So, it can be written as 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2, 3 5 ja 15 and to the power 2. Now, 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2, it means a to the power m minus a to the power n. So, you will get 3 to the power 3 minus 2 and divided by 5 square, and this will be 3 by 5 5 ja 25, and this will be your answer. In book, what answer has been given up to here only, this has been simplified, but further also you need to simplify and your answer will be 3 by 25 in standard form. Next you see, here you have 12 to the power 1 by 5 divided by 27 to the power 1 by 5 and whole to the power 5 by 2. This can be written as, here you see 12 can be written as 3 into 4 and to the power 1 by 5 and to the power 5 by 2 divided by 27 can be written as 3 to the power 2 or 3 to the power 3, you can write 3 to the power 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 to the power 1 by 5 and whole to the power 5 by 2. So, this will be, here you see 3 to the power 1 by 5 into 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and 1 by 5 for this 3 into 4 to the power 1 by 5 into 5 by 2 divided by 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 5 and into 5 by 2. Now, you see the number which can be cancelled, you cancel those, 5 and 5 got cancelled, here 5 and 5 got cancelled, and here again 5 and 5 got cancelled. So, you are left with 3 to the power 1 by 2, you have 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 4 to the power 1 by 2 and divided by 3 to the power 3 by 2, 3 to the power 3 by 2, or it can be written as 3 to the power, here you see a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So, this will be a 3 to the power 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 4 to the power 1 by 2, and this will be your LCM will be 2, and here you will have 1 minus 3. So, into 4 1 by 2. So, here you will have minus 2 by 2, it means 3 to the power minus 2 by 2 into 4 to the power 1 by 2, or it can be written as, this will be 3 to the power minus 1, this will be 3 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power 1 by 2, or it can be written as root 4 divided by. So, this can be written as 2 by 3, and this will be your answer. Next you see 15 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 3 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2. you see 15 again can be written as 3 into 5 to the power 1 by 4 and divided by 3 to the power 1 by 2 and whole to the power minus 2 you have. So, again if minus 2 you have, this can be written inverse in inverse. So, this will be 3 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 5 to the power 1 by 4 whole to the power 2. And here you can write 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 2, 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 divided by 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 2 and 5 to the power 1 by 4 into 2. Now, you see here 2 and 2 will be cancelled, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and here you have 4. So, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Here you see 3 you have divided by 3 to the power 1 by 2, 3 to the power 1 by 2 you have into 5 to the power 1 by 2. Now, this a to the power m divided by a to the power n, it means 3 to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 divided by 5 to the power 1 by 2 and you will get 3 to the power 1 by 2, 1 minus half means half divided by 5 to the power 1 by 2, or you can write together root under 3 by 5 and this will be your answer. Here you see in book, here itself answer has been written 3 by 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 5 to the power 1 by 2 can be written as 15 under root. But either you can write this answer up to here only you can solve and this answer can be written, or further if you want to simplify, your answer would be root under 3 by 5. So, either you write this answer or this answer, both are correct. Next you see, find the value of x in each of the following. So, first you have fifth root of 5x plus 2 is equal to 2. So, how we will solve this, you see. Five x plus 2 to the power 1 by 5 and that is equal to 2. So, what we will do here, you see, as last day also I had made you understand, if some question you have root x is equal to 5, then how you will solve? You will square both sides. So, you will get x to the power 1 by 2, this root x can be written, and to the power 2 we will do and 5 to the power 2 we will do. Why we will do this? Because square root what you have, power 1 by 2 will be cancelled with this 2 and you will get finally x is equal to 25. The same method is required to be applied over here. What we will do? 5x plus 2 to the power 1 by 5 you have. What we will do? We will take power of 5 both sides like this, as we have done over here. In this way, this is required to be written. So, and why we have done this? Because 1 by 5, fifth root you have, 1 by 5 you have, that is why to cancel this we have taken 5 power exponents both sides. So, here you will get 5x plus 2 to the power 1 by 5 into 5 and this will be your 32. Now, this 5 and 5 got cancelled and you are left with 5x plus 2 is equal to 32 and 5x is equal to 32 minus 2, x will be 30 by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. So, you got x is equal to 6. So, your answer is equal to x is equal to 6. Next we will see second, you have cubic root of 3x minus 2 is equal to 4. So, how we will solve this? You see, 3x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 you have is equal to 4. The same thing is required to be applied. It can be written as 3x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 and whole to the power 3 we will take both sides. Now, you see 3x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 we will get, and here 4 4 just 16, 16 4 just 64 we will get. These 3 and 3 will get cancelled and you will get finally 3x minus 2 is equal to 64 or x is equal to 64 plus 2. 3x is equal to 64 plus 2 you will get. This will be 66 divided by 3. So, if you are cancelling this, what you will get? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6. It means your answer will be 22. Next we will see. Here you have 3 by 4 to the power 3 into 4 by 3 to the power minus 7 is equal to 3 by 4 to the power 2x. How we will solve this? You see, 3 by 4 to the power 3 into minus you have. So, inverse of this number we will write 3 by 4 to the power 7 is equal to 3 by 4 to the power 2x. Now, you see a to the power m into a to the power n in this formula you have. So, it can be written as 3 by 4 to the power 3 plus 7 is equal to 3 by 4 to the power 2x, or this will be 3 by 4 to the power 10 is equal to 3 by 4 to the power 2x. If base are same, we can compare exponents and we will get 2x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 10 by 2, it means 5, and this will be your answer. Next, you see 5 to the power x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. How we will solve this question? 5 to the power x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to, this can be written as 15 square, or 5 to the power x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 will be equal to 5 into 3 square we can write, 5 3 is 15, or we can write 5 to the power x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 will be equal to 5 square into 3 square. Again your base are same and we will compare the exponents, then we will get x minus 3 is equal to 2 or 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. In both case, here you see, in both case x will be equal to what? 2 plus 3 and that is equal to 5. In this case also x is equal to 2 plus 8 by 2, it means 10 by 2 and you will get 5, and therefore x will be equal to 5 and this will be your answer. Next you see 3 to the power 3x into 3 to the power 2x divided by 3 to the power x is equal to 4th root of 3 to the power 20. How we will solve this? You see, here you have this formula will be applied again, a to the power m into a to the power n divided by, suppose a to the power p you have, what you will do? A to the power m plus n, in division it is there, minus p it will be. So, 3 to the power 3x plus 2x minus x we will write, because same base you have, and this will be 3 to the power 20 and to the power 1 by 4 you will have. Now, you see 3 to the power 3x plus 2x 5x you have got, minus x is equal to 4x, and that will be equal to 3 to the power 20 into 1 by 4, and it will be cancelled, 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So, finally, you will get 3 to the power 4x is equal to 3 to the power 5. And again, if you will compare base and exponents, what you will get? Base are same. So, 4x is equal to 5, therefore, x will be equal to 5 by 4 or 1 whole 1 by 4, and this will be your answer. Next, you see, you have proved that x to the power 1 by a minus b whole to the power 1 by a minus c into x to the power 1 by b minus c whole to the power 1 by b minus a into x to the power 1 by c minus a whole to the power 1 by c minus b, and that is equal to 1. How we will solve this? You see, here you see power and power will be multiplied, a to the power m into a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So, x to the power 1 by a minus b into 1 by a minus c we will write. Here x to the power 1 by b minus c into 1 by b minus a we will write. X to the power 1 by c minus a into 1 by c minus b. Here you have, you see, you have x to the power 1 by a minus b into 1 by a minus c, and here you have b minus c, b minus a, c minus a and c minus b. What you need to do, formula will be applied, x to the power a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. That formula will be applied, your formula will be applied, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This formula will be applied. So, here you see, before that what we need to do, since you have a minus b, here you have b minus a minus c you have, here you have c minus a, b minus c you have, here you have c minus b. So, making this equal, what we need to do, we need to multiply this with minus 1. Here you see minus 1, we need to multiply minus 1 by minus 1, or you can extract minus 1 from this, whatever you feel good that you do. So, if we are multiplying this whole term with minus 1 by minus 1, in the same way this also, and in the same way this also, then what we will get? You see, we will get x to the power 1 by a minus b into a minus c. If we are multiplying with minus 1, it will become c minus a. With minus 1 we have multiplied this and we have got c minus a. This minus 1 into 1 into 1, this will be minus 1. In the same way, here we will have x to the power 1 by b minus c, and this will be a minus b if we are multiplying with minus 1, a minus b, and this minus will come over here into, here also you write x to the power 1 by c minus a, and this will become b minus c, and this will be minus. Now, you see, we will apply that formula. So, this will be x to the power a to the power m plus n plus p. So, this will be added together. So, minus 1 divided by a minus b into c minus a into plus 1 by minus 1 by b minus c into a minus b and plus 1 minus 1 by c minus a and b minus c. Now, what we will do here, you see this is fraction, you need to add. So, we need to find out LCM of these terms. So, what LCM we will get, you see x to the power, here you see we will get LCM a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, you can find out in rough, or if you want to see you can see also. Just you see, you have a minus b into b minus c and then you have b minus c into a minus b. We have here a minus b into c minus a minus b into c minus a you have. Then you have b minus c and a minus b, b minus c and a minus b you have. Next you have c minus a and b minus c, c minus a and b minus c. Here you have a minus b into c minus a, b minus c into a minus b and c minus a into b minus c. As we find out LCM, likewise also if you will find out, just you see, if you will divide by a minus b. So, if you are dividing by a minus b, what you will get here? C minus a. Here what you will get? A minus b, by a minus b if you will divide, you will be left with b minus c, and here you will be left with c minus a and b minus c. Then suppose here you see c minus a you have, b minus c you have, c minus a you have. So, by b minus c if you are dividing, what you will get? This will not be divided. So, just you will take down this number and this will be 1, here you will have c minus a, and then by c minus a if you are dividing, what you will get? 1, 1 and 1. So, finally, what you got? A minus b into b minus c into c minus a, this is your LCM. Your LCM is a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. Or by other method also you can find out the same thing. LCM you will find a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So, we have got over here LCM a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Now, with this term if we are dividing a minus b and c minus a minus b and c minus a will be cancelled, you will be left with b minus c, and this b minus c will be multiplied with minus 1. So, sign will be changed. So, this will be minus b and plus c. B minus c you have, if this will be multiplied with minus 1, it will become minus b plus c. In the same way, here b minus c and a minus b, b minus c and a minus b will be cancelled. You will be left with c minus a. C minus a into minus 1 will become minus c and plus a. Then you will have, here you see, c minus a and b minus c, c minus a and b minus c, you will be left with a minus b. A minus b into minus 1 will become minus a and plus b. Now, you see whichever will be cancelled, you cancel. C minus b and plus b, plus c minus c, plus a minus a. So, what you have left? You are left with x to the power 0 by this term, 0 by a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. It means x to the power 0 and that is equal to 1, and that you had to prove RHS. X to the power a into b minus c divided by x to the power b into a minus c divided by x to the power b by x to the power a whole to the power c, and that is equal to 1. Here you see how we will solve this. X to the power, here we can write a b minus a c divided by x to the power b a or a b you write minus b c, and divided by x to the power b c divided by x to the power a c. B and c and c and a has been multiplied. So, this is your LHS. We have started with LHS. Then here you see a to the power m divided by a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n, means a b minus a c minus a b and plus b c, because minus we have taken. A to the power m minus n you will have. So, this will be multiplied with minus and sign will be changed. A b will become minus a b, minus a b will minus b c will become plus b c, and divided by again the same thing, x to the power b c minus a c, and again a to the power m, a to the power n you have. So, what we will do, a to the power m minus n, x to the power a b minus a c minus a b plus b c minus b c and plus a c. The same thing has been done over here also. So, here you see what things can be cancelled, you cancel, a b and a b got cancelled, a c and a c got cancelled, b c and b c got cancelled. So, you are left with x to the power 0 and that is equal to 1, and this you had to prove. Next question you see, write the following in ascending order of magnitude. In ascending order of magnitude, this type of questions already was solved in solved examples. Again you see how it will be solved. Here you have 6 to the power 1 by 6, 7 to the power 1 by 3 and 8 to the power 1 by 4. What you need to do? You have powers 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So, we have to make 8 equivalent. So, for that you need to find out LCM of 6, 3 and 4. So, LCM of 6, 3 and 4 is equal to, you find out 6, 3 and 4, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3 and 4, 2 1 is 2, 1, 2 2 is 4. So, LCM will be 3 into 2 into 2, it means 12. So, your LCM is 12. Now, what we will do? 6 to the power 1 by 6 into what we will multiply, so that denominator will become 12. So, this should be multiplied by 2 by 2. So, what you will get? It can be written as 6 square to the power 1 by 12. It means 36 to the power 1 by 12. Second number you have 7 to the power 1 by 3. It is required to be multiplied with 4. So, this will be 7 to the power 4, 7 to the power 4 and to the power 1 by 12. 4 3 is 12. It means you multiply 7 4 times. So 49 into 49 it will be 9 9 ja 81, 9 4 ja 36 and 8 44, 4 9 ja 36 and 4 4 ja 16 and 3 19. You will have 1 0 4 and 2 2401. This means 2401 to the power 1 by 12. Next number you have 8 to the power 1 by 4 into 3 by 3 it will be, so that it will become 12. So, it will be 8 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 12 and that is equal to 8 8 ja 64 and 64 into 8, 8 4 ja 32, 8 6 ja 48 and 3 51, 512 to the power 1 by 12. Now, you see this is the biggest one, then and 36 to the power 1 by 12 is smallest one. So, we need to arrange this into ascending order. So, if you are arranging in ascending order, if numbers are arranged in ascending order, what we will get? Smallest one we will write. So, this will be 6 to the power 1 by 6. It means we can write 6th under root 6 and then we will have second number this one. So, this number you have 4th root of 8 and the biggest number you have cubic root of 7 and this will be your answer. So, I hope all the questions whatever has been explained you have understood. So, till you are not practicing by yourself it will be useless. Only if you are watching video, that will be of no use till you are not practicing again and again. So, try to solve each and every question, even solved and unsolved, by yourself. See the questions, try to solve. If problem will be there, then you watch video again and try to learn, and again you try to solve yourself, and finally you assess also yourself, so that you will know independently you will be able to solve questions or not. So, till here I do not think any problem you should have. If difficulty will be there, again you watch video and try to learn. Next day we will start new topic. Till then, thank you.